What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on getting the rest of the manual swap out of the Manual E39 for my car. Maybe even get the engine out today. Don't know if that's going to happen. Hopefully it will, to be honest, but we'll see where we get with that. First off, what I got to do today though is I'd like to get all the black trim installed in my car because I need to get all of my wood trim installed on the door cards that came out of this parts car. That way I can sell them and make a decent amount of money on them because I'm broke and I need to buy other car parts for my car. But I'm gonna go ahead and get all these cars pulled out of here because I have to play musical cars every day. I want to use my lift, which is really, really annoying, but it is what it is. I have to just live with it. I am thankful I have a lift and I'm thankful I have a shop. So a little bit of a pain in the ass. It takes 5 minutes in the day. That's fine. Boom, look at that. So the only stuff that's left in here is the faux wood. There's the center console right now, the shift knob, and the radio. But the radio, I am going to be upgrading to a modern like Android nav system sooner than later. So I'll just live with this for a few weeks. It's fine. And then shift knob won't stay the same forever either. I might change the center console today. I mean, I have it. I need to repair this guy on the other center console because it's broken. All right, I did not end up getting the center console put in because it turns out the whole like ashtray mechanism is kind of broken, so I need to sit down and actually like properly repair it. So that's a not right now thing. All right, I got the compression test finally done. Oh my God, it was a pain in the ass. It kept blowing the O-ring out of my compression tester is what turned out to be the problem. But it was fantastic. It was 170, between 180 and 175 across the whole board. So I am very happy about that. Yeah, that took me like an hour to do a compression test. That should not take that long. Bullshit, that's what that was. Look at that. That's super cool. All right, just been doing some stuff off camera, the annoying bullshit. I got all the manual pedals out, manual gas pedal and the pedal cluster. And yes, the gas pedal is different because on the automatic cars it has a button right here for kick down. The manual ones do not. Got that off. Got these guys out. It's coming apart. yeah, it's coming along. God, it's just like, oh shit. I just like knocked everything over. It's a trip getting used to a new chassis because I've been doing Miatas for so long, and like I've worked on BMWs in the past, but like this is the most in-depth I've done in a BMW of this era as well. So it's like I'm learning as I'm going here. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Like I had to look up a video on how to remove the gas pedal because I couldn't figure it out. Well, I had an idea, but I didn't want to break it. So I watched a video on it, and glad I did because I still kind of broke it. But it's fine. I only broke the little bracket that mounts on the floor, not the actual pedal. So I know what not to do next time, so I won't break my factory one on my car. So yeah, probably gonna wrap it up here. It's already 6:45, so I need to go home and take a shower anyway. Now time for the fun part of the night, putting everything away. Oh yeah, almost died. That was rad. I'm gonna go get changed into clean clothes because I have a leather tan interior car. So, and I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know what the rest of the night will entail, but we shall see. Yeah, you guys, well, not much came up tonight, but it is already 11 o'clock. Gonna go hit the Togue tonight, go rip some curvy roads. Didn't want to do it for a few days, and it's quiet out tonight, so tonight's a good night for it. We see we found a friend tonight. Alright you guys, I have to add in here really quickly between the last clip and this next clip. The next clip is kind of, I skipped a whole day with no footage. So it like, I kind of explained it in the next clip, but not really. I ended up running to my homie Tanner in his GT3. We ended up hitting the mountain, shredding, and it's actually funny because I actually hit the mountain, was headed to my next spot, ran into him, and then we hit the mountain again. It was really fun. But I had like no context with that from then to the next clip. So yeah, just had to add that in here. Yeah, let's get back to it. Alright, it's the next night after going and hitting the tailgate with Tanner. Gonna go ahead and rip the Acti. I detailed this thing this evening. You can actually see through the glass, look at that. Gonna run over to Advanced Auto because I'm gonna see if they have anything in stock for my Beamer, because in California they are going out of business, so everything's like 50 to 90% off. Alright, just got done at Advanced Auto. I didn't buy anything because I didn't have anything I actually needed. I'm also extraordinarily broke right now, but you know. Alright guys, we're back at the shop today, about to basically finish off parting out this car. My buddy's coming up right now, the one that's gonna be buying the motor from me, and he's gonna help me get it out, just to finish it off. It's almost there. I mean, a couple lines and some cables and like power steering lines and stuff, but it's almost out. So we're almost done with this goddamn car. Yeah, well, probably the next clip you guys are gonna see is either the motor's gonna be out or we're gonna be pulling the motor out. I didn't ask him ahead of time if he's cool with being on camera, so we'll see. I'm sure he will be. So you guys will probably end up seeing the motor come out on a time lapse, which will be sick. But yeah, look at that crazy ass belt routing. Oh, there's also two belts. Oh, actually, you know what? I knew that. I knew it had a dedicated dedicated air conditioning belt. And just like that, the motor is gone. To record any of it because we are just trying to get it done. Whatever, the more important build will be coming on my white car. So dismantling this piece of shit doesn't really matter that much. Also, I made $7.45 out of this car and change. So that's awesome. But sold the motor for 800 bucks. We have already almost broken even. So I'm super happy about that. So as of right now, I am $200 into this manual swap, which is bitchin', dude. Because just that ZF goes for 800 these days. I'm gonna pull a few other things off of it. I'm gonna pull the brake booster and master cylinder off. I want to pull the secondary air pump out of it, and probably the ABS pump, because that's just expensive shit that, you know, might go bad in my car, which I'd like to have a spare of. So, yeah. Probably gonna keep, I'm going to keep the steering rack. But I think the only things I really have left to pull out of this car interior-wise is the dash, the column, or the dash, the wheel, the column. Oops, whacked my camera on the lift. The center console, side trim. I'll see if I decide to pull the whole wiring harness out. I'm not sure if I'm going to or not. I am going to keep all the battery cable though, because that's bitchin', I think that's single lot wire that runs, you know, from there all the way up to the front of the car to a bulkhead. So, yeah. I need to get the rest of the gas out of the car too, because I know the tank didn't get fully empty. I got like 3 gallons out of it, and this thing had like a did it have just under or just over a half tank? I can't remember. It had a lot of gas in it though, so it should have at least like 5 or 6 gallons of fuel in it. I'm gonna pull the top hats off and just see if I can siphon out of the tank that way, because the fuel pump was not doing what I needed it to do. But I'm gonna go wrap this video off here, you guys. I don't even know where we are in this video. I have recorded so much. I'm gonna have to sit down on my computer either tonight or tomorrow, or over the next few days at least, and just go through all the footage and edit all of it. That's gonna be fun. But anyway, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.